Good afternoon. So, in a weather brief, first weather summary goes like this. Country as a whole, it is normal, but in the lower side of normal, -7%. Coming to our state, Maharashtra, here picture is something different. It is 15% more than normal. Actual, it is 404.4 millimeter against normal 351.1 millimeter. Out of the different districts in Maharashtra, Nashik, Dhule, Nandurbar, Gondia and Akola are right now deficient. Pune district as such, it is just normal, -1% of normal. Here, actual rainfall is 312.9 millimeter against normal of 317.1 millimeter. In different meteorological subdivisions, Konkan, Goa so far received +21%. Madhya Maharashtra, it is just normal +2%. Marathwada, it is a +54%, and Vidarbha, it is a +5%. Coming to Mumbai, here also, so far, city got more than normal, +10% of normal. Pune city, Shivajinagar area, it is on the negative side of normal, but Loegaon side, it is positive side of normal. That is the first weather situation, monsoon situation. Now coming to system available, monsoon trough currently passing through. It is tilted towards southern side, passing through Nalia, Ratlam, Sagar, Churk, Chapra, Golpara, then south, then eastward to Nagaland. One upper air cyclonic circulation is present over North Madhya Maharashtra. Today, offshore trough, that is over Arabian Sea, of Maharashtra to Kerala coast, North Maharashtra to Kerala coast, that is active, and westerly wind is also strong, but the shear zone has been shifted to 15 degree north position, and it is expected that around 21st of this month, expected over Bay of Bengal, northwest Bay of Bengal, there is possibility for development of one low pressure area. Now based on this thing, the forecast as well as warnings, what we have given is, India Meteorological Department has given is, Konkan, Goa, all 5 days likely to get widespread rain. And here, today there is isolated extreme heavy rain warning, especially for Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg districts. Then tomorrow, though it is widespread rain, but warning is heavy to isolated very heavy rain. Then again, 18th, 19th, we are expecting isolated heavy to very heavy with isolated extreme heavy rain over Konkan, Goa, 18 and 19. And then again, 20, it is isolated heavy to very heavy rain warning. For here, basically all the districts in Konkan, Goa likely to get heavy to very heavy rain. Coming to Madhya Maharashtra, here, today 16th and 19 and 20, it is expected widespread rain. That is spread wise, it will be 75% plus. And 16th and 20, we are expecting heavy to isolated very heavy rain. 17th, rainfall activity will be little bit reduced. It will be fairly widespread and isolated heavy rain warning is there. Then 18, 19 onward rainfall activity again will increase and expected isolated extreme heavy rain may be possible. And in Madhya Maharashtra, this extreme heavy rain is possible only in Ghat areas of Pune, Kolhapur, Satara district. It is expected that Ghat areas today isolated heavy to very heavy, tomorrow it would be reduced to heavy, then isolated heavy to very heavy 18, 19 with isolated extreme heavy chances also there, and then 20 it would be isolated very heavy rain warning. Then for Marathwada, it is expected today it is widespread activity with isolated heavy rain warning as is given by our Regional Meteorological Center Mumbai for Aurangabad and Jalna. Tomorrow rainfall activity would be reduced and no warning, but 18th onward it will be fairly widespread rain for Marathwada, and 18th, 19th there is isolated heavy rain warning especially for Sangli, Solapur, Osmanabad, Beed, Latur districts. Coming to Vidarbha, here current 48 hours subdued rainfall activity. It is mostly light to moderate rain, and then 18th onward rainfall activity is likely to increase. It will be fairly widespread, and 1920 there is isolated heavy rain warning especially for Vandara, Nagpur, Wasim, Yavatmal, and 16-17 there is thundery activity warning for Akola, Buldana, Wardha, Wasim, Yavatmal. Coming to Mumbai, here basically today we are expecting isolated heavy to very heavy rain. Tomorrow it would be heavy rainfall activity, and 18, 19, 20 it would be heavy to isolated very heavy rainfall activity. Coming to Pune district, Pune city, here today we are expecting moderate, 16th we are expecting moderate rainfall activity and Ghat area heavy to very heavy rain. 17th it would be light to moderate rainfall activity, Ghat area it would be isolated heavy rain. 18th, 19th it would be moderate rainfall activity with isolated heavy to very heavy rain in Ghat areas. 20 it would be light to moderate rain with isolated heavy rain in Ghat areas, and again 21st, 22nd it is likely that rainfall activity may increase to moderate rain and Ghat areas may get isolated heavy to very heavy rain. Now, what would be the rainfall activity in the coming weeks, end of the month or early August? So 16 to 22, as India Meteorological Department extended range forecast is suggesting, Konkan Goa is likely to get far more than normal rain, and rest of the state, Maharashtra state, likely to get just more than normal rain. Then next week, 23rd to 29th July, Konkan Goa, North Madhya Maharashtra, north of Vidarbha, expecting more than normal rain, while rest of the state you will get just normal rain. But early August, so far, rainfall activity may be a bit subdued. But hope for the best. Right now, this is the weather scenario for the state. Thank you.